Now we will do a design of a little project, small project, to show you how system works. Let's go and start our design. We'll go to the full screen mode. We'll go to a menu, room, and we'll change room size. Depth, let's say, will be 3 meters. This is our room. We'll go to a room and select wall and columns, and we'll drag one nib wall. Let's say this will be the fridge recess. So we'll click on a nib wall and we'll tell that it's sitting 1 meter from the left hand side. So what else? Let's say we need to change in the parameters of this wall. So if you click back, so we'll tell that the depth of this wall will be 700 mil. You need to grab it and just drag it back. I'll fix this 1000 mil. So now we have a nib wall, and this will be fridge recess. So we can put a bulkhead. So you can locate a bulkhead this way. Click on a bulkhead and tell the height of the bulkhead, let's say, will be 300, but depth of the bulkhead will be full depth 700. This is a sample project. So what is the next? What we can do? So we can quickly design a small kitchen using a standard list of standard elements. So we need to go to catalog and start our project. I would suggest to find a point, and let's say I'll start doing my design from placing the corner cabinet. So I'll get a corner cabinet and I will locate it in a corner. So to see the whole story or full picture, I'll press on I and I will select a wireframe mode. Now I can see all sizes, all my sizes and leftovers and so on what I've got here in the system. So at the moment I did locate one corner cabinet, and we need to remember about the proper way to design. We'll go to our panels and we'll select base cabinet panel, and we'll have one wall scribe and we'll put it in a corner against the wall. So that's our wall scribe, which should be there. If you will not put an A, we'll rectify the project. We have to have it there because of our building conditions and so on, and this is good rules to, or good way to do design. So let's do like that. So on this wall we'll have one cabinet. Let's say we'll put some wall cabinets, base cabinets, sorry. We can change size of the cabinet. So to change that, to do that, we need to select a cabinet, and we can put our size incrementally 1 mil. Let's say my cabinet will have a size 712. So every cabinet or every size of every cabinet can be customized. You can change the width, height and depth. In the base cabinets, the depth of the cabinet, it's the depth of the bench top, actually the width of the bench top. We will allow for the frontal and back reveals, for doors and for technological installation reveals at the back. So let's say we will go back and we will select the drawbanks and we will drag a couple of drawbanks here. So if, let's say, you want to locate couple of drawbanks in this opening, so you can drag one cabinet, you can select a cabinet, and in a width you'll put 1258 divide by 2. Software will calculate the width of the cabinet, and we can put one cabinet here, and after we can select the cabinet, press Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste. Now we have a copy of the cabinet. We can drag it to the right, and we've got all cabinets sitting in the line and all gaps are filled. So the same way we can, let's say, select any other cabinet, and we can go as well copy, Ctrl C, paste, Ctrl V. We can drag the cabinet. If you drag that against a wall on the right, the cabinet will turn automatically. So now let's say for the presentation we'll show you that we've got the panels, and let's say I would like to put a tall cabinet panel after this two-door cabinet. So you can see this is a tall cabinet panel, and after the following will be tall cabinets. So we can go there, and there's a sample. We'll drag one cabinet and we'll put it here in design. So this is a really easy way. There are a lot of customers can understand a 3D view, but we can offer change view like a front view and go orthographic mode. Now you can see all cabinets here, and you can select any cabinet and you can change parameters of the cabinet, and you can keep designing in this way. So let's say if you want to start going with overhead cabinets, so you can go back to the catalog, you can go to panels, overhead cabinets, select a wall scribe and put it on the wall here. After we'll go to overhead cabinets, door cabinets, and we'll start filling the cabinets or filling the overhead line with the cabinets. There is another possible solution. Let's say we have ability when we click on a cabinet, we have these arrows here. We have ability to drag this arrow in this particular way. We will resize our cabinet. As well, you can see a figure here 92. If you want to line up with this bottom 400mm cabinet, so you can select this cabinet and just press plus, this remaining 92. You don't need to calculate. So now you'll drag the cabinet and these two cabinets will be lined up. So you can use, in the size of the cabinets here, you can use mathematical formulas. So this is one of the tricks. So another trick what actually we can use, this is replacing cabinets by cabinets. So if, let's say, we will select two-door cabinet on the bottom, we can go click on these two arrows and we can choose any other cabinet which is sitting in the same part of the library. So I can choose one drawer and two doors, and software will replace with this cabinet and will keep the same sizes. Let's say I want to have another drawer bank, so I can choose another drawer bank, let's say 3 drawers, and that will be here. So in particular, this way we can replace cabinet by cabinet, keeping the sizes. So let me show you what actually we can do with views. So we can have a FreeCam which will let us turn the room, again with locating cabinets, with dragging cabinets, with changing sizes of the cabinets. We can go and do front, back, left or right view. So if that will be easier for you, you can go and select I and after select your view. I would suggest to go with orthographic mode. That will be pretty simple elevation, so you can go and just actually drag your cabinet and put it here. and that will be just a flat elevation. Okay.